Hey guys, Mama Circus here. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't mind me eating this ice cream while I am stripping my bed. I was so hungry. Yeah, just a lot of cleaning we're going to do here today. This is a power clean. I have just really let everything go with, trying to make the most of what was left of summer break. I know if you feel me, hit that like button. Anyways, let's keep going. And I hope this gives you some good cleaning motivation. And thanks for hanging out with me today. Let's get right into it. I don't know about you guys, but when I do my bedroom or any of the bedrooms in general, I always like to start with the bed. So therefore, I kind of have a place to put things as I'm organizing. And then I just go right for all the dirty clothes, throw those in a pile. I try to do like process of elimination, if you know what I mean. So I can just really get things going in a speedy, efficient way. And yeah, that's just what works for me. And once I get my floors cleaned up, I then move on to the dressers, get those cleared, wiped down, and then yeah, start putting everything back together. I'd also like to start off by saying if you are new here, welcome. My name is Ashley. I am 37 years old. I am a mother to 4, one of which is going away to college in a few short days. And then my others range from ages 3 to 11. So yeah, I stay very, very busy. I also work part-time, but my schedule is really flexible and it allows me to be, as close to a stay-at-home mom as I can be. And I just love doing these videos because it's like a creative outlet for me. And it's just a really fun hobby and I absolutely love it. I don't really make much money at it right now, but I hope that changes because I plan on trying to be more consistent. So yeah, I share motherhood, lifestyle, cooking, cleaning, stuff like that. So if that's your jam, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you back and have you be part of my circus. Now that I'm done with the bedroom and the bathroom, I'm moving on to the kitchen. Oh my goodness, the kitchen can be such a task because it gets so overloaded with dishes as we have a big family. And I just feel like that is the one room in my house that can take me the longest to clean because I got all the stainless steel and everything like that. And yeah, it just takes some time to do a really good, thorough job. Yeah. Ooh, fancy. All right, you guys, we are halfway through. It has been an exhausting day, but I have got a lot done. I just love the feeling of a good, clean house, especially when it was in complete shambles before. Yeah, anyways, here is this fruit fly trap I got from TikTok Shop. This thing works awesome. I have not seen one fruit fly because it literally catches them all. Highly recommend that if you are dealing with fruit flies. Check it out. It's called Super Ninja. I can link it down below for you. Yeah. And then only you can. Yep, Carol. I'll get you one. Last up is my daughter Jolene's bedroom. Here I just did a quick speed clean because it was the last room of the night and I was tired and running on E. But if you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell, I am going to have a video coming soon of a whole deep clean of her room where I get rid of old toys and I just make it spacious and organized, and I cannot wait to do that. So yes, if you would love to see that type of content, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, I am just, like I said, so tired. These cleaning days just drain you. They take so long and it's all condensed into such a short video that it looks so easy when in fact it is a lot of work. But you know what? I am glad to do it. I hope this gives you guys some good cleaning motivation. I know all the cleaning videos that I watch give me plenty of motivation. So yeah, I'm hoping just to put it back out there into the universe. All right, you guys, I am losing my voice as I am trying to do this voiceover, so I am going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.